Now I'm going to show an activity where it can be demonstrated that wind is created in a classroom. You need a large cardboard box. I'm using a box that you hold copy paper in, and it's painted half white and half dark. There's a little on each side. All right, down the center, I've put the lid. I took the lid, cut it in half, and just folded it and put it in the center. This half of the lid, I put dark construction paper on, because you don't have to paint it. You can put dark construction paper if you'd rather. This side, I would have put white construction paper or painted it white, but the box was already white, so there was no need. Then you'll notice inside here, on that center lid, there's a rectangular slit, like a mill slit that's cut. And on the outside of the box, there's a large rectangular shape opening so that I can put things in it. Now, since wind is invisible once we get it going, you won't see it, so you need something to show the wind. So smoke helps. And you can use these things. This is an incense stick that happens to be unscented, which is a little better for people with allergies, such as myself. And you light the edge of it with the match, and then blow it out, and then you have a glowing incense stick, and then you stick it in the box. I would put it on something, since the box is paper and it would burn. I would put it on aluminum foil or a little metal tray, and it will do a steady stream of smoke. But another way you could do it is with a wizard stick, and this is a wizard stick. And it has a non-toxic liquid in it that heats up and it makes the smoke. Now, again, here we have this single sheet of plastic over the top, and it's taped on both sides with openings on both sides. And that's the whole setup. So now I'm going to take my wizard stick and I'm going to show you what it looks like. I'm just priming it. You prime it by just squeezing the handle, and you can get this nice smoke. Okay, so get it out of the way. All right, so I primed it. Now I'm going to stick it inside here, and you're going to watch what happens. And if you look at the smoke, it comes up. All right, if I look over here, you don't see it coming through the opening. Now I'm going to turn on a lamp, put it over the center so that both sides heat up. And you should think about what's going to happen here, or what may happen here. In theory, the white side, being lighter in color, will reflect more of the heat, and the dark side, being darker, will absorb more of the heat. So it'll get hotter, it'll get warmer. And we'll see if that's the case, and we'll know in a moment. Now, it doesn't take terribly long, but this is a little early to do it, but I'm going to try it anyway. Just see what happens. Let me prime the pump here a little bit. All right, not quite ready. Here we go. And we're going to watch it. I'm going to move this over so you can see if anything's happening. You can see whiffs of smoke coming through. Maybe if I do it at this angle, you'll see it better. Let me get this. There's another whiff. Let me get the smoker going again. It doesn't like being side. There we go. You see the smoke coming through? Okay. That's demonstrating exactly what we were hoping, that wind is being created. And the way this is happening is such: the dark side absorbs more of the heat, so the air above it heats up, becomes higher in temperature, but that means it's lower in density, and it rises. And when it rises, it makes room for cooler air to replace it. And so the white side that's cooler, that cooler air, if you remember, notice that slit was down near the bottom, that cooler air goes right through and fills up the void from when the hot air rises, and you actually created wind in the classroom.